Oo. Tapos dapat maraming shop ito pag binili siya. Ay, napicture kita dyan sa Instagram.
Sana doon may Christmas tree.
We're going to... Actually, hindi. Dito na pala kami sa Grand Mosque. Abu Dhabi. And pinag-hood na kaming lahat. Females are strict with the dress code. But males, okay lang casual, anything, whatever. We made it! Medyo mahaba yung walk from the entrance. Grand Mosque talaga siya. What can you say? Did it change?
No, it
It's still
didn't.
the same.
Still the same.
It's still the same size, not bigger.
Just the drop-off area is different, and the mall is new. Before, there is no mall here.
Nagpaparent
Ganun
sila
na
ng
yung
damit
dress
sa loob. 45 dirhams.
See?
Yeah,
Tinanong niya?
it's the same. Like, di ba, nagtanong tayo kahapon sa labas.
Okay.
So, the price is okay naman if you decide
Is
na...
that for rent or?
I think rent lang. cultural experience when you come to Abu Dhabi. go! And now, mag-exit na kami because our call time is 1:40. Magla-lunch pa kami. And yeah. Ay, English. Bawal pala, guys. You can't do hand signs here. You're not allowed to do TikTok. And for men pala, di ba, I said you can wear anything a while ago. Hindi pala kasi tinatanggal yung polo ni Pao kasi may mga icons on
May
it.
mga logo, may
Bawal pa.
design. Dapat plain.
Dapat plain lang. And for women, long sleeves, covered the hair, and covered yung legs hanggang ankles. Although, pwede naman mag-sandals. Yun lang. See you at lunch. Welcome to the Heritage Village. Bili-bili na po kayo ng souvenir nyo. Only 50 dirhams for 3. Bili na kayo ng camel. Bili nyo na rin yung, yung flag. And bili nyo na yung Grand Mosque. Iuwi nyo na sa Baguio. Tignan nyo yung water, guys. Super blue. Ang perfect. Masyadong matapang. Sumakit yung ulo mo.
Sex bam. Tapos yung boses mo.
Abu Dhabi. Super liwanag ng araw. We're going up Ferrari World. So maraming shop dito. But kalas ang pera. So wala tayong bibilhin. We're just going in Ferrari World. Medyo lumamig na. Yay! Welcome to Ferrari World! Come on guys, we're going to buy my Ferrari. Pina-display ko kasi dito yung Ferrari. Mamimili na ako ng color ng Ferrari. Hindi naman ako tignan na lang natin how much. How much are you, my friend? Walang price. Secret daw.
Pagka-swipe mo, surprise.
Guys, nina-judge na naman.
Kinain daw kasi ng...
Horse na lang ang
Kinaan daw kasi nung puma yung kabayo.
Okay, so we need to buy tickets na from here. And they're not doing that kasi yung sundo namin will be back 5:10 and it's already 4:40. 4:45. Hanggang dito na lang muna for now.
Oh my God.
I found my car na pinahiram ko sa kanila. Guys, we're pauwi na sa sa bahay ko here in Abu Dhabi. So, yan, pinahanda ko na yung dinner namin. Charot. There's my house, my simple house. Ano yun? Bawal. Oh, bawal na. No film. So, we got in, pero marami palang bawal. Bawal candy, alcohol, any liquid. Pero ba't po yung water? Pwede? Water allowed, pero alcohol, like, yung pang spray ng hands.
Hindi pa nga sila sure eh. Tinanong pa niya dun sa kasama niya.
Ay,
Okay, ano lang sabi?
not allowed. And outside, kaya I stopped the video kasi sabi nila not allowed daw to take video outside. Pero once inside, allowed na to take photo of the mandir. So yeah. Ganda siya.
So no shoes allowed.
So guys, shoes are not allowed inside the temple. They have shoe storage downstairs. So we left our shoes there. Naka na kami. Socks. Although allowed naman ng socks. Pero siya kasi naka-slippers lang na dumating.
Okay, there's no photo or videography inside.
Oh, not allowed.
Ah, not allowed. So, just appreciate the view outside.
What time is that
temple name?
It's a Swaminarayan Mandir, Bap's Temple, BAPS. I don't know the full form.
Okay, we also go inside.
The thing that we can see inside are different types of gods of Hindu. But since photography and videography is not allowed,
Yeah, hanggang dito na lang tayo.
yeah.
See ya.